Okay, so this is going to be somebody's Netflix. So Netflix again, omunye umuntu. Wafuna ukumamela anyway. So umdali wathi ke kum, okay, so ufuna ukuphilisa. Okay, nayi indlela ke. Then ngoba bese ngimamele sengivula amadlebe, nami bese ngazi ukuthi umdali uthi manje mangizile uzongichazela ukuba zila amalanga ayi-3. Angithi uzozwa nawe umzwangedwa wakho uzokuchazela maso wenzele so uthathe lesinqumo lesokuthi wena ufuna ukuzwa okungaphezulu kwalokho okwenzeka ngaphambi kwakho. Uzozwa lokho okumele ukuzwe, right? Once you've made the decision that you want to hear from your highest self, that you want to hear from God, that you want to hear from your ancestors, you will hear what you are supposed to hear. All right. So after that, I go to church, right? Mangifike esontweni, so bengisonta mina bengumntwana othanda isonto, like bengisonta a lot, right? From vele mangithi ngivula amehlo nje ukuthi ngibone ukuthi kwenzekani emhlabeni, abantu bengibabona bebesonta, so nami isonto bekuyinto engaphakathi kwami ukuthi siyasonta. Ngapha esontweni kunosizo, yikho la ebengifuna khona okay, ibetri. Okay, sizoyiqhubekela phambili le ndaba. All right. So so bekunezinto ezenzeke empilweni yami ezifana angithi mawuko wabheka my previous episodes ngichaza ukuba I had an abortion, ubaba wami washona, so zonke lezi zinto lezi zenzekile, like zenzekile, and then la bengisonta khona ngagcina sengiyeka ngoba bekusokune abantu bebefuna ukukhuluma ngale ndaba, mina bengingafuni ukuthi abantu bakhulume ngale ndaba, bengakakhuli, bengakafiki kule maturity ukuthi ngikhona ukuhlanganelana nale ndaba nezinto engizenzile ngale ngqondo esenginayo manje. Bese sengimntana lapho, so ngoba abantu bebekhuluma ngami bethi ngenze ini, ngenze lothu then ngathi yazini ithi ngihlukane nendaba lazi, ngazama ukuyosonta kwezinye indawo mara bengathi vele yazini angisa-connect nesonto, so ngayeka ukusonta. Then mangiyeka ukusonta like kwenzeka lezi zinto eziningi, ubaba wami uyashona, and then impilo yami yavele ngathi iba mnyama nje, then ngagcina ngingene e-psych institution, right? Ngiyaphuma e-psych institution, ngifuna indlela, then ngibona ukuthi yazini lento le is coming back badly now. Then I surrender to a higher power. All right, I surrender. If there's my ancestors up there, I'm surrendering to you. If there's God up there, I'm surrendering to you. If whoever created me and knows me more than I know myself knows, I'm surrendering. So that's what I did, right? And then now I started ngaqala ukubona ukuthi yenza kanje. So bese ngathi my intuition is now a live wire, right? So okay, so ngaqala ke ukufuna ukuya esontweni ne, ngaqala ukufuna ukuya esontweni, then bengafuni ukuya esontweni kahle, mara le higher power, my intuition kept on telling me ungcwele, God, whoever, my intuition was always showing me a board, not a billboard, but the small one, which is written Liberty Church, Liberty Church, Liberty Church. And I always hear that voice saying, go there, go there. Aish, me. Ngithi sonto ngeke ngithole esontweni. I had a grudge against the church, like I was angry because ngendlela bengisuke ngakhona, right? I'm like, no, not a church. A church abazalwane angeke. But you know what, one day I was like, you know what, let me go. Mara ngiqale ngakhuluma naye umdala ngathi mangifika lapho ne abantu bakhona ngivele ngibafile ukuthi bangathi basamwhat, angilapho ever again, ever. Kodwa mangingafika lapho ngizwe ukuthi no, it's good people, then I'm staying, fine. Then ngaya and it was one of the most beautiful experiences I've ever experienced in my life. This was Liberty Church, Roodepoort, West Campus, right? So it was mesmerizing presence of the Creator, of the divine. Some of you that have never been to church, I don't know how to describe it to you. I don't know, if you know, if you don't, okay, some people can go to church and never experience that, but there is an aroma of a place which is gathered in one accord in love. They create an incense that is pleasing, that makes the presence of the divine Creator to come and linger amongst those people, right? That's why people go to church. So if your church is a good church, it just brings that. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I was drawn to Liberty Church. Instantly, I fell in love. I was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. I was so happy, guys. I was so happy. So all that, abazalwane, it went out the window. I felt like I had found my church. And even the embraces that people would give you, you would feel like you're being embraced by the divine love of the Creator. Like, I am not exaggerating. And I am telling you this like because I knew how I felt like church. I'd never wanted church again. I'm telling you, because of the previous church that I'd gone to. I didn't want. So for me to really find a place that could really make me say, I want to stay here, I'm telling you, there was an abundance, an outpour of the love of the divine. Anyway, so I fall in love. On one Sunday when I'm there, I feel a compelling inner voice, intuition, led to go and just lie prostrate there in church, like just to lay my burdens off. You remember, I'm tired, hey? I just had this depression that is happening, so I'm just in this place where I feel like, I can finally rest. So I go, I lie prostrate there. And then before you know it, I'm being lifted to some room there, and people are praying. They're praying. These women, like it was full of women, like maybe like more than 6 women were in that room, and they were praying. And they said this to me: young lady, there is something that is fighting to kill you. There's something that wants to kill you. You understand? You have to fight, because this thing is wrestling to take your life. Okay. my storage is full. All right. So, okay, I'll continue.